Alright, today we're going to put these drive lines back in this dump truck. The caps, where they bolt on, had these safety things. You bend a tab up to keep the bolts from backing out, obviously the cap from flying out. They don't use these anymore. They put a little drop of Loctite on them. Alright, there's one. We're going to clean these out. Carefully. Alright, y'all let me know when this is there and that one's there. Y'all are good. Okay, so the rest of this should be pretty straightforward. Tap these caps in. Tighten up the carrier bearing. And then grease everything. Oh well. No shit, Sherlock. That's me. Other than they spelled my damn name wrong like they always do. It's A-E-L, not E-A-L. This one first. Or these two. Let's fire this thing up again and see if she moves. Alright guys, well, it went back together a whole lot easier and a whole lot less cussing. So, ready to put back to work again. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments, leave it below. Later guys.